afternoon, dear students, friends. In previous lecture, I have already discussed hybrid parameter model. Then again discuss the two parts device of network parameters. In hybrid parameters, there are three types of hybrid parameter: Z parameter, Y parameter, and H parameter. H parameter is nothing but the hybrid parameter. The hybrid parameters, according to the hybrid parameter, there are transistor have a two input and two output. Means input means V1, I1, this is nothing but the input side of the transistor, and V2 and I2 is nothing but the output side of the transistor. And you already know that I already discussed the two dependent parameters and two independent parameters. I have already discussed. Then from this hybrid parameters, now calculate the two dependent parameters and two independent, means V1 and I2 is a independent parameters. V1 and I2 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2, and these all the things are already discussed. Then find out the four hybrid parameters: H11, value of the H11, value of H12, value of H21, and value of H22. I already discussed. Means H11 means that for the calculations of first hybrid parameter H11, and this hybrid parameter is called as input impedance, and this input impedance is calculated first of all the output circuit are shorted, means V2 is equal to 0, means H11 is equal to V1 upon I1, means is called as input impedance. Similarly, calculate H22. H22, for the calculations of H22, that time input side of the transistors is open, means called as output admittance. Now calculate output, means I2 upon V2, that time input current I1 is equal to 0. Then next parameter H12. H12 is nothing but also called as reverse voltage transfer ratio. For the calculations of reverse voltage transfer ratio, again input side of the circuit is open, means I1 is equal to 0, means H12 is equal to V1 upon V2. And next fourth parameter H21 is called as forward current gain. And how to calculate the forward current gain? That time output sides are shorted, means H21 is equal to I2 upon I1. In that time output sides are shorted, means V2 is equal to 0, means H11 have a unit ohm, H22 mho, and H12 and H21 is dimensionless, because H12 is a reverse voltage transfer ratio and H21 is nothing but a forward gain ratio. That's why it is a unitless. 11 stand for I, means input side. 11 stand for input side. 22 stand for output side. 21 means forward transfer ratio, and 12 is nothing but a reverse transfer ratio. You also know the ratio is calculated, always ratio is nothing but the output upon input, means 2 upon 1 is shows the output upon input, because one side is input side and 2 shows output side, and one R1 to 1 R shows 1 to means reverse ratio. Means from this equation, V1 is equal to, write this equation in the forms of hybrid parameters. V1 is equal to HI I1 plus HR V2. This is equation number 1. Then I2 is equal to HF I1 plus H0 V2. Find out the one by one term. Means determination of HF, forward current ratio, and input impedance. For the calculations of forward current ratio and input impedance, that time output sides are shorts. Output sides are shortest means from this figure it is clear that this side, output side, V2 sides are shorted, means these two connections are connected. These two connections are shorted. And input sides here apply the voltage. Means now apply voltage. Means from this figure means determinations of forward current ratio, that time V2 is equal to 0. V2 is equal to 0 means HF is equal to I2 upon I1 is called as forward current gain ratio. Second parameter is calculated from equation 1 and 2. Second parameter is HI is calculated. HI is calculated means V2 is equal to 0 means HI is equal to V1 upon I1 from equation 1. And this is called as input impedance. Called as input impedance. Similarly calculated reverse voltage ratio and output admittance. For the calculations of reverse voltage ratio and output admittance, the voltage is applied from the output side, means V2 side, output side, and input sides are open. From this figure, figure shows input sides are open and voltage applied to the V2 side. Means input sides are open, it means shows that I1 is equal to 0. Now put the value of I1 in equation 1 and 2. Now calculate. H0 is equal to I2 upon V2 is called as output admittance, and HR is equal to V1 upon V2 is called as reverse voltage ratio. Is called as reverse voltage ratio. Do you understand? Now calculate the four hybrid parameters: input impedance, output admittance, reverse voltage ratio, and forward current gain. For the calculations of forward current gain and input impedance, that time output voltage side are shorted. Output side are shorted, it means that V2 is equal to 0. And for the calculations of reverse voltage ratio and output admittance, that time the input side of the transistors are open, means I1 is equal to 0. I1 is equal to 0, and calculate the four hybrid parameters: forward current gain, input impedance, output admittance, and reverse voltage ratio. The next parameter discuss transistor in common emitter. Find out the H parameter of transistor in common emitter configurations. You already know that, student, there are three types of configurations in transistor: common emitter, common base, common collector. Now first of all discuss here the H parameter of transistor in common emitter configuration. The 4H parameter of transistor in common emitter mode are common emitter shows means E. Common emitter shows the E means this H parameter is denoted by HIE. Second parameter HFE, HRE and HOE. Subscription E stand for common emitter mode. In subscription E stand for common emitter mode. First of all calculate the input impedance. Input impedance means HIE. The ratio of small change in input voltage to the corresponding the small change in current. Which side in common emitter configuration? Which side is in the common emitter? It means that common emitter configurations input side voltage is called as voltage between the base and emitter. Input side voltage is called as base and emitter. And input current is nothing but the base current. You already know that. You already in second semester you already what is the meaning of common emitter, how to work the common emitter configurations. Means input voltage is equal to VBE. Then input current in common emitter configurations IB. Means input admittance is equal to VBE. VBE means voltage between the base and emitter to input current, and input current is nothing but a base current. Now write down the equation in the forms of equation. HIE is equal to VBE upon IB. In which conditions output voltage is equal to 0, and output voltage is means that common emitter is means voltage between the emitter and collector, and it is denoted by VCE. It is denoted by VCE, and this is equal to 0. Then second parameter, forward current transfer ratio. In forward current transfer ratio is calculated from which side? That time the output voltage are shorted. Output voltage are shorted means which voltage? Output voltage is shorted means voltage between the collector and emitter is equal to 0. Means HFE is equal to IC upon IB. Means output current upon input current. Output current is nothing but the collector current is output current, and base current is input current. HFE is equal to IC upon IB. In which condition? Output voltage is equal to 0. Output voltage is equal to 0. It means that the circuits are shorted. Means voltage between the collector and emitter is equal to 0. Then third parameter, reverse voltage ratio. Reverse, for the calculations of reverse voltage ratio, it means that input sides are open. Input sides are open means currents, input current is equal to 0. In this diagram, you know that the input current IB is equal to 0. It is the ratio of small change in input voltage to small change in output voltage. Means HRE is equal to voltage between the input voltage is equal to voltage, this is denoted by base and emitter, means voltage between VBE upon output voltage. Output voltage is denoted by VCE. VBE upon VCE. In which conditions? Input current is equal to 0. Input current is equal to 0 means IB is equal to 0. Then fourth parameter, output admittance. Output admittance, it is the ratio of small change in output current, and it output current denoted by IC in common emitter configurations, to corresponding small change in output voltage. Output voltage is equal to VCE. It is denoted, output voltage of the in common emitter configuration is denoted by VCE, voltage between the collector and emitter. Means HOE is equal to IC upon VCE. IC upon VCE, in which condition IB is equal to 0. Same way, calculate the hybrid parameters common base mode and common collector mode. Only change is formed in subscriptions. In common base configuration, notation is used HIB, HFE, HRB and HOB. And common collector configurations, notation is HIC, HFC, HRC and HOC. Okay, do you understand? And this is nothing, it's easily you calculate the four hybrid parameters in common base configuration, common emitter configurations and common collector configurations. Okay.